time flew by, and we are already at the closing. So, unfortunately, ends. But well, was a nice time, and here in the venue in the OTR, with our sponsors, maybe a round of applause again for Adi Systems, for B1, Neuland, SAP, Zipgate, and our sponsor, Magazzino, our supporter, Univention, and the 2 company registrations. And many, many thanks for all the people who made it possible. So, like the Fachschaft, they did a really great job. The venue helped a lot. Several people in the venue were really helpful in getting access and all that stuff. So, cool thing. Of course, the local team. And all the restaurants, which were quite flexible to handle our stuff on short notice. And of course, all of them, all others I forgot here to mention. Yeah, and of course, conference is nothing with attendees, so yeah, and of course, we flew in OLSD to set up everything, and yeah, I guess it was a quite interesting Friday for him, but in the end, I think it worked quite well. So, okay. Give me a second. It could be the cable. Yeah. Okay, let's go on with the thing. So, and some statistics for science. We had excellent beer and had about 200 bottles of them. We had 51 pairs of Weisswurst. It's a one broken cable, yeah.
2.5 minor technical challenges.
So, okay. We have 12, according to my statistics and according to the data point I made in shortly after lunch, 12 individual video team volunteers. And the top video team volunteers were Urbeck, PMN, AB, and sharing the 4th place, Benno, Chris, and us. So, that's it. Thank you. So now we need tear down. So every one of you is needed to help us. And one special point is a video team setup. So don't unplug without asking before, and check with OLSD. He will delegate all the tasks. For the other tasks, we need to bring the venue back to original condition. So remove all posters, remove all signs, collect all the bottles, bring them into the drinking room. Then clean up the tables and etc. If you see something you can do, just do it. Thank you very much.